Okay guys, this is just a quick video to show you a little browser extension that you can use on Chrome. You can't use it on your iPad, but you can use it on your Mac, your PC, your laptop, whatever you want. It's called Screencastify. So I've got it installed on mine at the moment. You can see it at the top here. It's a little extension on there. But if I then swipe over to, this is another instance of Chrome that I've got with a different account. It doesn't exist. So we can go Screencastify Chrome, and then you can then add it, and then click on there, click add to Chrome. It's free. Bear in mind the maximum length is 5 minutes. So you don't get much time, but it might be helpful. So you click add to Chrome, it opens up extensions, click add to Chrome, add extension. It's all gone mad, okay? And then it's there, so it installs itself at the top, okay? And that allows you to put whatever you want on the screen and then chat through it. So I've just seen a brilliant example with Beverly this morning doing this. So she had Google Slides up on her screen, and she was then able to talk and chat over her slides, and then you can see what you can do. There are some other settings that we can use, but I will do that. I'll show you how to use that in further videos. Cool.